Hello, my name is Xavier, and welcome to my Daredevil Season 2 review. Let's go. Alright, so let's start off with the action. Amazing. Simply amazing. So, in Season 1, the fight scene was great, but now, brilliant. Because we've added a few more characters who know to fight. So, Electro, Punisher, in addition to Daredevil, just enhances that fighting capability. And now, ninjas. Ninjas? Can you beat ninjas? No, you can't beat ninjas. And that addition of that ninja to the fight seems above ordinary. Extraordinary it is now. You can only be hard pressed to find a TV show with this level of extensive fight choreography. That's movie quality, that's film quality, because you don't really see that in TV shows, but movies you just see it. I could compare the same movie and it would come out well, no doubt. Alright, so let's go to the characters. Let me start off with my least favorite, and that would be Bobby Nelson and Karen Page. Alright, so the actors, they did a great job with it. Can't complain. The acting overall, great. Unbelievable. But Page and Nelson, so Karen Page, their relationship with the editor, if I was working at that newspaper, I'd be a little upset at least. That's what happened with her there. Like, she just gets into these situations and then it's not really that believable. Like, okay, we're talking about a blind guy that's crime. So, stretching the possibility there. But her, kind of hard. You see. And Bobby Nelson, his relationship with Matt, I understand it. Or we could play it like that, but I didn't like it really. I like where his character ended up. But it provides new possibilities for the show. Now let's go to the lecturer, Lily Young. She was brilliant. Her attractiveness is on a high scale, and her action skills pretty good. So they did not overstretch her believability at combat or when she's fighting males. Because some TV shows, part the border, but it was believable. She did a great job portraying the sexiness, this sultry, saucy nature of Electra. Highly compliant performance. John Brenda as the Punisher. It's not that far out to the realm to consider him the best acting performance of this season. He outshone all the characters most of the time when he was on the screen. It was that inviting a performance. You could sense his angst, his anger, psychopath, sociopath, whichever one you want to show. You show that. And you could definitely see a spin-off with him in the future if that works out. Main character, Charlie Cox, as Daredevil. Great job. Season 1, a bit several about the same about season 2. No, but they didn't really give him much different to do. Like they got different stuff to do, obviously, but it wasn't that much of a stretch for compared to what they had to do last season. Last season was more of the state introducing the character. This season they focus more on the Punisher and Elektra in terms of uniting their fandom. It suffered a little bit, but I think it would have had. I know Wilson Fisk. His lack of being there in the first half of the season kinda hurt the show a little bit, but Punisher and Elektra, they did it well to cover that gap. But Vincent D'Onofrio, he was awesome last season and also this season when he showed up. So Bernthal and Naomi, they had a problem filling that gap, but they did an admirable job and it was almost close. Alright, well, listen to this. When he shows up and does his thing, love it. Absolutely love it. The season overall, acting, great. Action, great. Thoughts, above average to good. Maybe parts here and there, but whatever. Anything else to add? No. Only watch it. Great TV. See you next time.